Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, Southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, Northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 12:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:51 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern Atascocita, or near Kingwood, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southwestern Liberty, Dayton, Crosby, Mont, Belvieu, Lake Houston, and eastern Atascocita. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.